This video guide is dedicated to help you get rid of the pop-ups that come from the site Uress.xyz. Uress.xyz. So this is a deceptive website that now attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. The website tries to trick you into downloading and installing some unwanted extensions for the Google Chrome browser. The website indicates that this is some sort of the recommended update, so it tries to make you download and install some extension into the Google Chrome browser. However, if installed, this extension may change a lot of crucial browser settings without the customer's permission. Now, I'm going to install this particular extension for the demonstration purposes in order to let you know how to get rid of it later on, how to remove it effectively. And my primary mission is to make you understand the danger of these pop-ups. So after the extension is mistakenly installed and when you start submitting some particular search queries, you may pretty soon realize that the results are delivered by some other unwanted search engine. In some cases, the results may be delivered by Bing, sometimes by Yahoo search, or sometimes by some other unwanted search engine. Eventually, the results may be also delivered by websearches.club. So this is the unwanted intrusion or interference into the way your browser operates, and this is all happening because of these fake Chrome update alerts spread by the website Uress.xyz. In the light of this information, you should be very careful to remove any third-party extensions that were mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome. So access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find any third-party extensions, just deactivate and remove them completely. And once again, remember not to trust these fake browser update alerts. Now, to make sure that your system is free of any other threats, I strongly advise that you scan it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the program using this green button, install the application, and start researching the device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.